Hi guys, it's Holly here from Holly Makeup Loves on Instagram. If you haven't checked me out there already, make sure to check me out over there. I post every day about makeup, skincare, beauty, style, all of that. And make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post product reviews and beauty tutorials for you guys. And I'm back again today with a beauty tutorial for you guys. I haven't done a tutorial in a while, so I'm excited to do one for you. I am doing a tutorial on this eye makeup look today. It is my summer date night eye makeup look. So keep watching and I'll show you guys how to get this look, and hopefully you can follow along and just have some fun. So I have done all of my face makeup and brow makeup, so I'm just gonna jump right in and start my eye makeup tutorial for you guys for a date night summer glowy look. I want to use a couple of Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. I love the bronze palette and the blue honey palette. I couldn't really decide, so I'm gonna be mixing shades just because I love the shades in both. They're like neutrals. Bronze has a lot of gorgeous like neutrals in it, and I love that. But blue honey has a little bit more warm tones, warm crease colors, so I want to kind of use those too. So I'm going to start off with applying a light shadow to my eyelid base. I'm going to go in with the shade here in the bronze palette, which is called Jasper. And just apply it with a flat shader brush all over my lid. This is the Morphe M503. Just to provide a light base for shading that crease and to kind of brighten the eyes and the eyelids as well. And now with a crease brush, I'm going to use the Il Makiage 202 brush, and I'm going to go in with these two shades here, which are Topaz and Tiger Eye, and mix those together and start to buff out my crease. And I like to bring that, extend the shade a little bit up and out, kind of almost to the end of my eyebrow, to kind of create that fox eye lengthening eye look. And I like to bring it up on the inner corner too, just into where it meets my brows. And then bring kind of across the lid a little bit. So I'm happy with that. I got that shading done. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of warmth and a little bit of depth to my crease. So for the warmth, I'm gonna go over to my blue honey palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Busy Bee. I'm gonna take a little bit on another blending brush. This one is from the Morphe Sweetie Collab set. And I'm gonna take this through the crease, kind of just where I went in, just to add a little bit more warmth to the brown shadow. I just wanted to add a little bit more because it just makes your like eye color pop, but I don't want it to be too overpowering, so I just wanted to add a little bit. And then to deepen my crease, I'm going to go in with a concentrated flat shader brush. This is the 188 from Il Makiage. I'm going to go in back to my bronze from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with Bronzite down here. It's a dark brown kind of. I'm going to go in and deepen my crease a little bit. So I'm just going to take a tiny little bit on my brush and place it kind of where I want it, which is kind of going to be across like this in a little line. Illusion of your eye going up and out the crease, just a little bit higher and a little bit longer and more elongated. And then I'm just going to buff it out a little bit. This brush is great for depositing and blending. kind of feel like even doing this today, bringing it down in a V, which I don't often do, but I think I feel like adding that in today because I really want it to swoop. So just with the excess, I'm adding that little swoop down as well. So the shading on my crease is all done. It's kind of a nice warm brown natural crease. I'm gonna add some kind of warm shades to my lid to make my eyes pop a little bit more. I'm gonna go back in with my Blue Honey palette and use Sweet Thing right here. Gorgeous shade. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics number 5 dual end eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna place this right on my lid. And I like to bring it up a little bit through the middle just so it kind of looks like a sunset. And I'm going back to my bronze palette. I'm gonna go in with Jasper right here in the middle. And I'm gonna add this to my inner corner of my lid, just to add a little bit of light to the look so that it all kind of blends. I'm not adding tons because I don't want it to get too light. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite inner corner highlight shade probably ever, in the Blue Honey palette, this shade right here called Buzz Off. It is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna use that same brush and just specifically put this right on the inner corner because it's very metallic, but it's beautiful on the inner corner of the eye. It really gives you a pop, it's metallic, and draws the eye in. Love it. Okay, I thought I was done, but I want to add more shimmer. I'm gonna go in with that Blue Honey and use this shade Bumble right here with my finger. It's a golden shade, and I'm just gonna add a really small amount on top of that other shade, shimmer shade I used. I'm gonna put some liner on. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Kai Liner in brown. It's my favorite liquid liner. It's so amazing to apply. So I really wanna do that extension because we want the eyes to be doing this. I wanna do it kind of as horizontal as I can, but also lifting it up. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I love a long, skinny flick. And I don't like doing it too thick along my lash line, so I try and do it as thin as I possibly can. So this is the finished liner on this side. I'm going to go and do my other side and then finish off my lashes. So you guys can see I have it done on this side and not this side yet, and just how much it extends and lifts your eyes and cheekbones and like just whole makeup look. So I love doing it. So my liner is done. Now I'm gonna go in and finish off my eyes with some mascara. So I'm gonna use my Shiseido lash curler. It's my favorite lash curler. I just go at the base on the top and give it like one really good press for a few seconds. And that's it. I don't like to do more than that because it actually makes the lash look shorter. I like to do one so that it goes flat against your eyelid and makes your lashes look longer. And then I'm gonna go in with Lancome primer for my lashes, on my upper lashes. I love this primer. It's so good. It makes your lashes look thick and lush, which is what we want. Let that dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with Lancome Monster Big Mascara. This is one of my favorites. So pigmented, and it thickens and lengthens and does everything. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. And I like to squiggle it right into the base of your lash so you get full coverage. And then I'm gonna do another coat to really thicken these babies up. So my upper lashes are done. I'm gonna go in and just finish up with my lowers. I'm gonna use the Pure Annata Natural Mascara in brown. I love this mascara for my lower lashes because I find it doesn't smudge and it looks pretty natural on the lashes. And I just do 1 coat of this mascara. So I am done my eye look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's a gorgeous kind of natural summer glam eye look. I'm gonna finish off with a lip and then I'm out the door. Okay, so I am done my final makeup look. This is my summer date night eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to check me out on Instagram at hollywardbeauty. I post every day, and make sure to subscribe to me here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.